Hey guys, Brandon here with the Seymour crew, and today we're going to be refurbishing these stools. They've been sitting outside, they're a little rusty, and they need a little bit of love. So first we're going to start by taking the seat off, disassembling it, and then we're going to start with our sanding wheel or sandpaper, depending on what you have at home. After that, we're going to spray it with our rust converter and primer. That will eliminate all of the rust and give us a good surface for our primer. After that, we're going to go to our stainless steel blast product. Give it a nice, beautiful finish. And over top of that, we're gonna use our 2K clear coat. And that's gonna give us a nice, shiny gloss finish and help protect it from the elements outside. All right, let's get started. Now that we got the top off, we are going to sand this down, get rid of all the rust. There's a lot of ways you can do this. You can use your traditional sandpaper. You could use a wire brush or wire wheel with a drill. And you could also use a grinding wheel. To make it a little bit quicker for us today, this is what we're going to be using. Also, don't forget your PPE. Make sure to wear your mask, your glasses, gloves, hearing protection if you so desire. Let's get into it. We got the bar stool all sanded down. Our next step in this process is going to be wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol. This will get rid of all the contaminants and get it ready for painting. On the inside, it's a little bit harder with the big grinder to get all of the spots with the rust on it. So what we're going to use is our rust converter, which is going to chemically stop the rust from spreading. And it's also going to be used as our primer. Next, we're going to use our stainless steel blast product. And it's a great product. It's going to give you a beautiful finish because when we make this paint, we put real 3/16 stainless steel into it. And that's going to give us a great finish. We got the stainless steel finished up. It looks great. Our next step here is going to be using our 2K clear coat. And what's cool about this is it's got a hardener inside of the can. So what you do is you take this top, there's a little tab on the bottom. You'll take that, pop the hardener so it releases inside of the can. And then all you'll do is you just shake the can a couple minutes like you typically would. After that, you're ready to spray. So we got the stools here, 2K clear coats all cured. Let that sit overnight. We went ahead and sanded and stained the wood seats, and now it's time to put it all back together. And there you have it. These stools are all put back together. The 2K clear coat looks great. It's gonna last a long time. Thank you so much for following us along this project. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.